So dear students, I'm back with the new tutorial based upon HTML. So last time I've taught you how to change the color of the font and the background color. So today the same will be doing, but some other tags also will be learning. As I already told you, that we'll be using Notepad, those who are having PC or laptop, and otherwise other app I have already told you who are having mobiles. So before starting, I want to tell you that some students were pointing, sir, the result is not coming. So, especially when you put inverted commas, when you put inverted commas, so I'll be trying to show you the keyboard side by side. So, I'll be starting my program, and today I'll be teaching you how to use heading tag. Okay, so first of all, I'll write here HTML heading title. I'm giving learning heading tag. Actually, heading tag is being used to control the size of the text. So now you always you know that I prefer body tag, and body tag I can use BG color, BGCOLOR, BG color. Okay, BG color. Just check the spelling of BG color. What is the spelling of BG color? And there is no space in between. Here I am not giving any space. Is equal to. Now here sometimes the students are making the problem. I have forgotten to write head section because that's very important. Otherwise, sometimes the result is not expected as I am wanting. So body BG color is equal to. So there are two ways to put colons. If you'll see in your keyboard here, so what students generally do, they they do like this. Okay, it looks like inverted commas, but it's not the inverted commas. What you have to do, you have to press Shift key. So I'll press Shift key, this one, and then I'll do. So if you'll see here, there is very slight difference between both. Here space is more, here space is less. You have to use this one. I hope it is clear. You have to use this one. So I'll be deleting and I'll be using by pressing the Shift key. Okay, while pressing the Shift key, I'll press this one. With one click, double colon should come. So BG color I am giving, that means the sky, cyan, and text is equal to, I'm giving blue, you can give any, and then I'm closing this. Okay, I hope that is that is clear to you. So I'll close this so that I can easily do my work. Then after this, body BG color cyan. Now because I have to teach you how to use heading tag, so for the tag for heading tag is H1. H1. Suppose with H1 I want to write Sophia Convent School. H1. So once I have written this, it means that I am writing the text in biggest size available, the largest size. H1 means the largest size. And after this, if I am writing H6, this is the smallest size. Okay. Just to save the time, what I'll do, I'll copy this because just now I am teaching you. So I can save the time. And some of you might be thinking, why sir is just shifting this? This is the proper coding for doing any kind of a language. Just to differentiate between the tags, we used to do this spacing, like this spacing, then this spacing. We can easily understand in this way. So I'll change this now. It's very easy. It becomes very easy for me. I'm giving here H3. Like this, you can give. Again, I can paste it. It saves the time. I've used H1, H6, H3, H2 I'll use. Yes, the coding is same. And I have to close now. This is been closed here only. So body tag, I have to close body tag also. So I can close here body tag, and then of course HTML tag. Okay, because when we start HTML, it closes HTML here, and when I start body tag from here, I have to close body tag because these are container tags. And in between, if you want to have some space, you can use br tag. As always, it was told to you earlier also. So br tag, I have told you, it is a empty tag. Empty tag means you have not to close. As h1 you are starting from here and you are closing it, means the tags which you have to start and which you have to close means container tags. But the tag which you have to start but you have not to close, that are called empty tags. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I'll save this work. Save as. So I'll save it in my PC desktop, students, under 9th. I'll save it as using heading tag dot html. Click on save. Okay, I'll minimize it. Students, I'll open 9th. This one is my program. Right click, open with, as I told you, open with Internet Explorer. So see, this is H1. If I'll show you the coding, this is H1 tag. So due to this is appearing. Learning heading tag. So this title is coming on the top, learning heading tag. Then H6, the smallest size. This is the smallest size. Then H3, the size is little bigger. So it is coming like this. And H2, of course, the second largest size. So it is coming here. I hope it is clear to you how to do this. A little changes I want to do in this program. Suppose I want to put this H3, means the tag with H3 heading in center. So there is one command, div, very powerful command or tag. So I'll be using that tag here. The process for using this tag is angle bracket start, div align is equal to center, and it is closed. And again it is a container tag. It is a container tag. So means if I have to start div, I have to close it also, like this. It started from there and it's finished here at this point. So this I'll, okay, div line is equal to center, it's okay. Suppose this div I want to use at last also, I'll copy it. Just see what I am doing. div align is equal to right side, last one. Then okay, so and after this I'll close this div. As I told you, this is a container tag and it controls the position of the text, alignment it controls. Although there are many tags, further you will be learning one by one. So I hope this program has been clear to you. I'll show you the coding. Let's see whether it is working or not. I can afterwards, once I saved, I have to just click on save command, and after using the save command at the bottom, I can click on the browser. I have not closed it, and then I can reload it. Refresh means refresh. So I'll show you. Wait. So I by mistake it has been closed. I'll again open it. Now just see what the coding is telling me. Body BG, okay, this is already been clear to you. H1 is okay. H1 is on the left side, and when I have used H6, then I have used okay H6 okay. This is the smallest. Afterwards H3, this one H3. Here div line is equal to center. So this center has moved this text in the center, and then at last div line is equal to right. Then H2 Sophia Convent School and div closed means alignment of the text should be at the right position. So it has moved my text towards the right position. So dear students, we have learned how to control the size of the text, and plus including that you have learned how to control the position of the text. So I am stopping my tutorial here only. You have to practice this, and if the students are facing any problem, then you can post that query in the group. And now I'm giving you the sign on what you have to show me. This is not the this is only for the practice. This is not for showing me. Only the students who are facing problem, they can show me. Now the students who have to you have to show the work. I'm giving you one assignment. What you have to do, I'm showing you the output. You have to make this program. I'll not be showing you the coding, but if the previous coding has been clear to you, you can easily make this program. Is it okay? Different sizes is been used here, and then alignment is also there in the center. There's three different sizes. I'm not telling you the sizes. According to your idea, you can have three different sizes. So is it okay for you? So I'll be eagerly waiting for your result. So I'll be ending my tutorial now.